The Woollahra House 11 project by Grove Architects represents a rare intersection of modern architectural ambition and deep-seated historical reverence. Situated on a 250 square meter site within the Heritage Conservation Precinct of Paddington and Woollahra, the project arose from a unique opportunity to replace an aging, mid-20th-century structure that no longer fit its surroundings. Flanked by a native park and a neo-Gothic sandstone church, the site demanded a design that could bridge the gap between Sydney's 150-year-old urban fabric and the requirements of 21st-century living. Commissioned by a mature couple, the residence was designed to be a versatile sanctuary that balances professional and personal life. The layout prioritizes functional separation. The upper levels cater to the couple's daily lives and individual creative pursuits with private studio spaces, while the lower level functions as a semi-independent hub. This ground floor area includes a dedicated yoga teaching studio with its own access, ensuring that the home can transition seamlessly between a quiet retreat and a space for community engagement and family hosting. Sustainability is not merely an addition to the house, but the very engine that drives its design. Rejecting traditional climate control, the architecture relies on smart ventilation and a state-of-the-art rooftop solar thermal array to manage heating and hot water. The home's environmental footprint is further minimized by a massive 24,000-liter rainwater storage system and an organic garden for herbs and vegetables. These features reflect a commitment to contemporary standards that treat the building as a living, breathing participant in its local ecosystem. The success of the project was solidified by its receipt of the 2008 Woollahra Conservation Award, with judges praising its ability to exist firmly in the present while respecting the past. By utilizing subdued materials, clean lines, and a palette of natural colors, Grove Architects created a structure that is sophisticated yet entirely devoid of pretension. Ultimately, Woollahra House 11 stands as a masterclass in contextual architecture, proving that innovative, environmentally conscious design can flourish even within the most traditionalist neighborhoods.